um, culture and the tolerance and the diversity and the love and the peace city. Amazing country. Ethiopia is very amazing.
Wow, thank you. Calm down. I heard Africa is beautiful. I've heard, what
Please
is it,
come
Cape
visit
Verde?
Ethiopia.
I think I've heard of Cape Verde, but I don't, not Utopia.
This country is
Yeah.
too much mountain and the cave. Uh, wow, amazing. Ethiopia is very amazing country.
Is it beautiful? Do y'all have beaches? Beaches? The water,
It's
ocean, the
very, very,
beach?
very beautiful. Beautiful beach, beautiful mountain, in the cave.
Wow.
Too much, very, very. Lubu lubu, lubu lubu. Ethiopia is amazing.
Oh, that sounds so beautiful. Wow, you live somewhere nice, huh? What
Harmo
about the food?
makayin, harmo
The
makayin
food?
Ethiopia. Uh, yeah, it's very good. Do you want to visit Ethiopia?
Maybe one day. I want to travel one day. And that might be one of the places I go to too. I want to go to a lot of different places.
Yes, come on, please.
We
You
need 3 roses, you guys.
you are single?
Yes, I am. I am single. But you look married. You have a wife.
Wow.
Or no?
What is chance? Wow.
Are you married? Because you have a
Wow.
woman
What is
next to you.
chance? You are
Have I
single,
ever
right?
been to Louisiana? No, I've never been to Louisiana, but I've been to Alabama. Yes, I am single.
Wow. This beautiful is very, very single. Wow. Just like me single.
Too cute.
Two
Thank
single
you,
is come.
cute. Go. Say it again.
Wow. Single. Talah bareddun single. Lagzemta. Hinero man dabani.
Yeah.
Tenya ko fati.
Got
Ethiopia ko
times 3.
fati. Diaspora bitu jarri defen gala fuda male dalam bareddun.
Thank you,
Oh.
Juju. What's up, too? Happy birthday. Happy Friday. What the fuck? What is wrong with me today? Y'all, I need to eat.
Guys,
That's the problem is. Happy birthday.
Hazuko.
Fuck. My
Everybody
daughter
also
looks
follow
at me
guys.
like, what the hell?
Canada baranan dendam ne gifted. What is the top one?
Shit,
Sajibali.
happy birthday. What the hell? Jew, I guess you got an early birthday, man. Shit. We got ×3, y'all. Thank you for hitting that ×3. Bless you guys, for real. Thank you. Happy birthday. Jeez.
Turinako.
Tommy, thank you.
Hazuko. What is people is very gifted. Too much
Let's
gifted.
go. You got the smoke over there. I love it. Let's go. Tap in. Yeah, tired a little bit. But I can't get too tired.
Danisha. Danica.
Yes, love. What's up? Yes, what's up?
You are single, right?
I am single, but I'm married to me. I married myself.
Oh,
Isn't
please,
that
please, not
crazy?
marry yourself. Please, I'm stay here.
Is that your wife right there? She's the first bubble.
If in Romania, no, I'm single. What you married yourself?
I married
I'm
myself.
single.
I had to. I'm married. I love myself. I think I'm amazing.
What is
I had to marry myself. What do you mean?
I buy for you diamond ring, please. Chill with me.
I had to marry myself. That day I realized I
want
was
to
an
marry you.
amazing
What
person.
yourself? What is
You
people?
are married. You are married. I see your wife in the picture.
No, I'm single. No,
Well,
no,
who's
that
the woman
picture
in
is
your-
my brother.
That
No,
is not your brother.
That picture.
That is your sister.
If you marry me, I buy for you diamond ring.
No, you won't.
Timing, you guys. We need
No, you won't. Anybody can say that. Anybody can say that.
What is people?
I can't believe this guy.
guy.
He's trying. He's trying. I married myself, okay?
Guys, Azuko. Yes. What is people? What is people? Wow.
Oh my God, you and your stick. I'm dead. Shout out to Calm Down. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you, J. King, Christian, Edward, Bob. Appreciate you. You won, okay? God bless you.
I'm not okay because love you.
Why? Why aren't you okay? You should be
What do
okay.
you lose if you love me?
Why should I love you?
Because don't lose me. Chill with me, please. I love you so much.
You married your wife. That's who you love.
No,
That's who
man.
you should love.
This is my brother. Please
That is
understand
not
me.
your
What
brother.
is?
Okay, that's not your brother. That's your sister. Okay, if we're gonna go there, that's your sister. That's a woman.
What is people? American woman is very smart, very lovely woman, is very amazing people. What you are married yourself? What? Why? Osol
Hard
gabajiruan
headed.
lulukotan.
Because I'm not
What
like
is from
everybody
Texas
else.
of my
This is different. You ran into a different person. This is a whole different person. You never ran into somebody like me. I'm just saying. I'm for real too. I'm not playing.
I'm not your favorite boy.
What?
I'm not your favorite boy.
You're not my favorite boy? I mean, you're cool, but you're married.
Yes, I'm. Yes, yes.
You are
Thank you.
married. You
Yes.
should be proud to be married.
Wow. Thank you. Wana ma fetani sele durang zer madire kasaniata.
He's talking shit.
You're a small girl or tall woman?
I'm 3 foot. I'm short.
You are short.
I'm a little person.
Please stand up. I want to see you.
I'm 3 feet tall. You don't like me anymore or what?
I
3 foot
love tall
nothing.
woman is very love.
Nah, T-Mac, I respect all cultures. Are you kidding me? My mother's
Okay,
Puerto Rico.
okay,
He can
listen.
marry,
Okay, how?
listen, he can marry and do whatever he wants. We're having fun. We're playing around. That's what it's all about. Don't take this
Aisha
all
Magi
seriously.
Tajit.
It's not that
Dafa
serious.
jalati. Wani biyalati siner kanne fingilifata kutoka kanu gargarte ni dafa ko manti jalati. What is people?
No, T-Mac. T-Mac, relax. Relax, T-Mac. Is his wife going to be okay
Do
with
you
another
know
wife?
Kurta?
Huh?
Do you know Kurta?
No, who is that?
Kurta is this one.
Your stick? Is it a magic
Yeah.
stick or what?
Yes, magic stick, king stick.
It's a king stick. What does it do? Ask him
Yes,
more.
I'm king of Ethiopia. I'm king of Ethiopia, Oromo boy.
You're single?
Yeah.
T-Mac, no. T-Mac, listen. T-Mac, you don't even know what you're
Ule
talking
ismati
about.
nan jogin. Etano ma ismati.
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Your body is very sexy.
Did you really go to
Boy.
the shower and put those straight in the washing
Sadim
machine?
ba isa guys? Aisha ta kafani sigir na jala. Aisha yui.
Y'all, let's go, let's go. Let's go, baby. Tap in.
Do you love football?
Football?
Azuko.
Yeah, I like football.
Aisha ko.
I like football. I like
Yeah, do you
soccer.
love?
I like basketball too. I like both.
Okay. Who plays your favorite players?
In football, I go for my dad's team was Gamecocks, so that was my father's team. I can't really say any other team. That's who I go for. I don't think you know who that is though. Who's your team? Who are your favorite? Who's your favorite players? Who's your favorite players? Who's your favorite team?
Messi.
Nice.
Yeah.
But who's your favorite player though?
Yeah. My favorite player is Messi, Lami Yamal, Rafina. Oh, it's too much.
What up, Alan? Oh, you got a lot. You got a lot. Oh, that's why you got that shirt on. I see your shirt. I see your shirt. You got the soccer shirt on.
Haruk of the
Wow,
leper.
fire. Thank you for the taps.
Is you worry
Okay,
Haru leper hangap dong kung very
we're
tang
done.
kolenya.
We're done with you guys. We're done. We don't have any more people, love. We lost, but it's okay. It was nice to battle you.
Too much my listen. Too much my country people is married. Danica.
Uh-huh.
I support you. I support you. Every people is go to married. Go to married. Why?
Well, it was very nice to meet you. And God bless you. Good job on this game, okay?
Nice to meet you.
Bye. Take care, love.
Bye. Masih pakiyan.